అందరికీ నమస్కారం. Anwitas cook house కి స్వాగతం. Today we are going to bake a chocolate cake. Grease the pan with ghee. Oh, మహా ఏం చేస్తున్నావు?
చాక్లెట్ కేక్.
మళ్ళీ చెప్పు.
చాక్లెట్ కేక్.
మహా నువ్వు ఏం చేస్తున్నావు?
చాక్లెట్ కేక్.
అమ్మ అన్నప్పుడు చెప్పు. Ghee, have to all the place do the ghee with your spoon. Let's start baking process. First add 1/4 cup ghee.
Hey. Okay. Let's see. Okay.
Da. Can it mix? Wow. We have to mix so speed. Look. The ghee. Yes, man. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Okay, now mixing is finished.
Chocolate cake.
Add 2/3 cup jaggery.
Okay, sir.
Mix it now. Mix it. కొంచెం తిను.
Okay.
ఇదిగో తీసుకో. Okay, mix. That's why it is mix. We need to mix for. Wow, jaggery! Look the jaggery. Jesus, gentleman. Wow. Some need to be some crowley. The jaggery. Look at the jaggery. Is it tasty? Wow. Yes, we are doing the chocolate cake. I like ice cream, but some more. The strawberry ice cream. Now add 2 eggs. Egg, Maha. Another egg. Let's mix. Can I mix? ఒకసారి ఆగు. Wow, give me please. Give me please. Not chocolate?
Yes, I like chocolate.
You want to?
Yes. Let's do.
Yes. She don't know how we have to cook the two.
It's good.
Why are you crying? Don't cry. It's behind fun.
Chocolate cake.
Let me show. Finish. This come like this. Wow! Look at this. Oh, look at this. Wow! It's so stretchy. We need to mix it. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. I'm making. Add 4 tablespoons cocoa powder. Add 1 cup wheat flour. Add 1 cup wheat flour. Yay, we add the wheat flour. Her name is Maha. My name is Neha. What's a mix? Maha and Mahanya Anwita also. My Neha and Nehanya Anwita also. Add 1 teaspoon baking powder. Thank you. What's it? Now, Kalipi, mix it. We need to do like this. Put to go down. Marakut. Look 15.
Let's mix it.
Let's mix it.
Let's mix it.
Mouse down.
Huh? She's a sister. That's why she's so small. That's why she's just mixing. Melt water. I ate some all.
I will see water. Madam. Madam यहाँ.
My sister. She want the cake. She forgot it. She don't want for now. She want the cake. The cake. Sit. It's my turn.
So.
My turn.
So.
Now, have some chocolate bits. Ready? Open. Mouth open.
Open. Oh. Chocolate is.
Chocolate! How to open it?
Oh. Wow.
You want to eat?
Yes.
Is it a bro? Bro. Chocolate pieces.
Mang aku chocolate today. No chocolate today nako.
Mix it.
Naku chocolate today ma.
Chocolate, mix it.
Naku chocolate today.
Wow.
Wow. It's a birthday cake.
It's a birthday cake.
Close it.
Close it. Keep it over. It has
Wow! Yay! Cake is ready.
cake is ready. Birthday to you,